Hello and welcome back to sunny Sweden. Today we'll be modifying lines a bit to make the part of the lights that's up here, well, that one and that one, shine as lights when you drive along. So basically some sort of DRL light. But anyway, enough said about that. Let's get going because it's really hot and I want to get home and drink water. What we need is a screwdriver thingy, which I haven't got, but that's why I'm building a screwdriver. And I can actually remove my hat. Then we're gonna remove this. Oops. Yep. Like that. And remove that light. And pop it there. Then we're gonna take this, which is an 8mm socket, and take this, which is a ratchet thingy. Remove this screw. Like that. And get this panel down. And here I've got what it's all about. It's this thing here, which is a resistor thingy. And what's that? Never mind. And it's supposed to be installed here in some way. Up here we find this big thing here, which is supposed to be disconnected. So I'm just going to do that. Now that's disconnected, and you can disconnect it by pushing this pin in. This is what it looks like now. I'll pop a photo or two showing exactly where I've put the small cable things coming up right now. Now that's in place, it's time to reconnect everything and get the roof thing back in its place. Alright, so that was all for today's video. I'm now going to go home and I'm going to drink water and eat something, probably. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, do subscribing to the channel, and all those things that YouTubers usually want you to do. Until then, have a nice day and enjoy the sun. Don't get burned by the sun or anything. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.